Hi, I'm Tom Bassett, and in this video we're going to explore Einstein for developers and run through an example use case of where it may be able to help. Assuming you've already installed Einstein for developers, within Visual Studio Code, along the left-hand panel, you should be able to see the Einstein icon. From here, I'm going to drag out the panel just to make it a little bit easier to read. This process starts with a prompt. This is a prompt that you feed into Einstein for developers, and then the AI engine will respond with a Apex powered solution based on the information you've given it. For example, if you wanted to create a task for any opportunity that hasn't been edited in over 14 days, you could construct a prompt like this and then send that prompt to Einstein. Once you send the request, Einstein will think about the response and then respond with some Apex code. So you can see here that Einstein has responded with some Apex, which will hopefully achieve what I'm after here. So breaking down the Apex itself, you can see that it starts with querying to find where there are opportunities that haven't been modified in over 14 days. It then starts to iterate through each opportunity and creates a task for the owner. So you can see here that it's assigning values to the task fields, and then at the end of the operation, it's figuring out what to do. And if there are tasks to be created, it will then insert those tasks for us. It's also got some placeholders if you wanted to perform any additional logic. You can also see that there's a placeholder here for error message handling. And ultimately, from this, you can determine that Einstein for developers is designed as a helper tool. It's not a replacement for developers. It ultimately could get a developer on the right track to writing a particular piece of code. However, it still needs a human to verify that that code follows best practices, meets the specific requirements, and is customized as necessary. All of those things will vary based on the specificness of the prompt that you feed Einstein